Memories with love, baby hairs, please, baby. I haven't combed you in ages. Yeah, it's recording. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you all how my friend Standy put extensions on my hair. First of all, I would like to thank Standy very much for what she did, because I really loved the results, even though there is a complicated story behind it that I'm gonna tell over the video. Mama!
Mama, hashtag. What is your mother going to do? She'll come and because mothers don't care.
My mom does that.
Yeah, she's like,
And I'm like, Mom!
be still.
But overall, thank you very much, Standy. You are an amazing person, and I really appreciate it. Also, I would like to apologize for not uploading so much lately. It's just that I have been quite busy traveling from India to Mozambique in Africa, and I am soon gonna post a video about it, sharing with you guys how was the travel during COVID, the restrictions, and the safety measures that they have been taking over flights. Guys, don't mind the white residues on my hair. It's the aloe vera that I applied a week ago. And this is actually the reason I rather use aloe vera juice instead of directly applying the leaves on my hair, because when you apply the leaves directly, there will always be white residues even if you wash the hair, and it does look like you have dandruffs, which is not really nice. The first step of applying extensions on my hair was actually detangling my 4C hair with a big comb in order to make sure that there are no knots in between, and then she started braiding it. And after braiding my hair, she used a needle with thread and sewed it together to put it in the desired position so that it can be easy for her to sew the extensions on the braided hair. Now, if someone is braiding or sewing your hair tight, please let them know and ask them to release it a bit, because this is supposed to be a protective style and not something that breaks or damages your hair. So remember that. If it's too tight, then it's not good for the hair, and it's not worth to have an amazing hairstyle when your actual hair is breaking and getting damaged behind it. The complicated story that I have hinted y'all about in the beginning of the video is that I have a very sensitive scalp. So if you are like me and you have a sensitive scalp, then this is definitely not the best protective style for you. I had this style for only 4 days because my scalp started itching and it became very red with some sort of inflammation on it, as you can probably see in the picture. And in the 3rd day, I literally couldn't sleep because of how painful and disturbing it was. And when I woke up in the morning, I was already on a trip in Goa, and I just told my friend to take it off because I couldn't bear it anymore. And the funny part is that we didn't have a scissor or a blade to do it, so we just got a knife from reception and we started cutting off all the threads over it, and I got rid of the extensions. I think you can notice that talking about it actually makes me laugh because it ended up being a funny story. I went to the trip with one hairstyle and I ended up coming back with my hair all messy. And talking about trips, I am soon gonna upload a video on that trip to Goa. So if you would like to see how Goa looks like or get some tips on it or how to go there or whatever, just check it out. I will be uploading it soon on my channel. Now, going back to the actual important point is that we have to be very, very careful with the protective styles that we put on our hair. I did not regret, and I do not regret having this protective style because it looked really beautiful, and I made sure to remove it before things got worse. But I also think that it's not worth to spend 3-4 hours having a protective style, installing a protective style, and then removing it 4 days later. Plus, the extensions are very expensive. So before trying any of these protective styles, maybe try to check if you have a sensitive scalp or not and decide accordingly, because at the end of the day, we want to make sure that our hair is healthy and beautiful in spite the fact that we also put protective styles. Well, guys, this is basically it. I really hope you watch this video to the end and leave down your comments on what you think about it. And if you have any questions or curiosities about hair or anything else related to my channel or me, you can drop your questions down there and I would gladly answer it. Do not forget to share this video with your friends, drop a like, and pop by once in a while and check out my channel. I also hope you do enjoy the rest of the video and the result as well.